Have you noticed as you age, you're losing strength and having a hard time maintaining your functional independence and mobility? Well, I have some exercises here for you to help maintain your independence. My name is Kurt. I've been a physical therapist for over a decade, and I'm also an assistive technology professional with MedMart. In this video today, I'm going to be going over 4 exercises to help with your balance. There is a specific progression for these exercises. So if one becomes too challenging, you do not want to move on to the next one. You want to practice the one that is very challenging and do it until you're good at it before you can move on to the next exercise for safety purposes. For demonstration purposes only, I'm going to be holding onto the back of this chair, but I prefer that you do it at home, holding onto your kitchen countertop because that is the most stable surface in the home. The first exercise, what you're going to do is you're going to place your feet together to decrease your base of support. You're going to let go of the surface that you're holding onto and maintain your position for 1 minute. The next exercise that you're going to do is you're going to stand normally so as to widen your base of support. Now, there are 3 things that we rely on for our balance. One is our vision. Another is something called our proprioception, or your body's awareness of where you are in space. And third is your inner ear, or your vestibular system. To challenge the proprioception and the vestibular system more, you're going to close your eyes and you're going to stay in one position, again for 1 minute. Next, to decrease your base of support even more, you're going to stand in what we call a tandem stance. This means that you're placing one foot in front of the other, almost like you want to walk a tightrope. You're going to start by holding onto your kitchen countertop, and then when you feel stable enough, you're going to let go. On this one, you're going to keep your eyes open and maintain that position for 1 minute. Once you have completed that, then you're going to gain support from the kitchen countertop again. You're going to switch leg placement so as to now you have your opposite leg in the back. The leg that is in the back is doing most of the work. Hold for 1 minute. If this has not become challenging enough, the next exercise is to stand on one leg. Gain your support from the kitchen countertop, lift the opposite leg, and then let go. Maintain your balance again for 1 minute if you can. Just like before, you need to switch legs after that 1 minute is up. This will give you very good balance and stability. This progression of exercise is key in making sure that you are able to increase your balance to make sure that you decrease your risk for falls in your environment. Thank you for watching today. If you're looking for other ways to help maintain your independence, MedMart is always here to help. Continue to follow us on social media or visit our website at medmart.com.